gentle breeze begins to rise. The curtains lift with graceful flow, revealing gifts the winds bestow. The fabric curves in rounded form, a sacred shape, a quiet storm, a cornucopia made of air, a promise drifting everywhere. The wind brings blessings through the night, a touch of hope, a spark of light. An open heart can let it in. Abundance starts where dreams begin. The room is warm with golden hues, a place where life renews its muse. The currents move with soft embrace, a sign of grace within this space. The world responds when we allow the flow of life to reach us now. Through open windows, change arrives and fills the soul with richer skies. The wind brings blessings through the night, a touch of hope, a spark of light. An open heart can let it in. Abundance starts where dreams begin. Receive the gifts the moment holds. Let life expand in gentle folds. The winds will shift, the path will grow when you allow their calm to flow. The wind brings blessings through the night, a touch of hope, a spark of light. An open heart can let it in. Abundance starts where dreams begin. Openness invites a world of plenty.